Hey everybody, it's Marvin with PID Floors. I'm here with Brady, and we are hosting the AIA today for an event that is super special. You're going to want to see it. Stick around.
I'm Namita Modi, and I co-chair CORA, which is the Committee on Residential Architecture. So this event was actually inspired by this year's AIA 2024 convention in Washington, D.C. One of the themes of the convention was about wellness. The entire convention expo hall was full of places where one can take respite, places where you can go and get a massage. And then there was booth 541, the puppy park. In residential work, of course, like a lot of our clients, come and they ask us for specific things that are related to their pets. We are designing not just for our clients and their children, but also for their pets. We get very, very specific requirements, especially in custom residential work. We thought this would be a fun thing to do, to have an event that talks about designing for your pets. So on our panel tonight, we have Elaine Santos. She's principal of Elaine Santos Design, best known for her high-end interiors filled with color and texture, but experimenting with canine-friendly materials has been embedded in her repertoire since the start. Next to her is Christopher Gardner. He's the founder of Tuna Architecture, an award-winning design firm focused on projects with atypical clients and atypical programs. Colin Hunter is part of the Dogtown team of New York City. They are canine behavioral trainers and caregivers who teach people how to understand, care for, and communicate with their adoptive canine companions. I want to thank PID Flooring for hosting this. The idea for doing it here actually came up here at an event that we had here with AIA, immediately they said yes. Stephen was like yes, and Lawrence was like yes, and so it was great. Thank you so much, and thank you to your team for hosting it.